a cartoonish eye and a realistic eye. So first, you draw a circle. I already went ahead and drew my circles with a compass, and after that, you draw 1/2 circle here and 1/2 circle here, and then you color it in. It would take pretty long to do this. Okay, now I filled it in, and after you fill it in, you draw an eyebrow. You can make it the thickest you want. I want to make mine just a tiny bit thick. So this eye is done, and now I'm going to show you how to draw a realistic eye. There's a line on the top, and then there's a line on the bottom, and then you draw a little dot. Well, not a dot, but and then you draw this line. And you thicken the top line. And you thicken the bottom line just a tiny bit. Not all the way. And then you draw little eyelashes. And then you draw little eyelashes in between that are lighter. And then you draw some on the bottom. And then in your circle, you draw a pupil. And then you lightly draw like this, and you do that only on half of it, but a tiny bit more than half. And then you have your eyes. Thanks for watching!